there's a lot of things most people don't know, and that is that you could actually scratch your car a lot as you're drying it. Luckily for us, Ryobi has a new blower that will literally blow your mind, and there's a couple cool features about it, and I want to test it out on the freshly washed car behind us. This is the Ryobi blower, max blower. It comes as a tool only, which is a little bit of a bummer. So you will need to pick up a couple extra batteries and a battery charger if you're not in the Ryobi ecosystem, I guess you could call it, even though Ryobi is owned by Milwaukee, so ideally the batteries would be interchangeable. But for this video, I just got everything. And so, as the blower stands itself, it does come with the stubby nozzle, which is really nice. And this is actually, you can take it off. And then if you don't do it backwards, it's a lot easier. And then it comes with a couple different attachments. I do wish that it was a drill too. I thought that would be really cool. But again, that's it. So let's see how it works on this car. Let's see how fast we can dry it. This is a 6 amp battery. I also got the 4 amp. And so let's just give it a whirl. This thing's an absolute beast. Let's see, you're probably gonna use about a half of a 6 amp battery to completely dry the whole car. Now, a good hack that if you are using this to dry your car, which will make it the safest way to dry your car, and then you could wipe it down with something like a JIMBO's ceramic spray. I want to tell you about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is me and my product brand, JIMBO's Detailing. We currently have 2 products out on the market. We have a ceramic spray coating, which could go on top of something like a can coat or a wipe-on ceramic coating like Meguiar's M888, or it could be used as a standalone. And we also have something called a Pure Magic Cleaner, which is a wheel cleaner. It's also a water spot remover, a hard spot remover, and all that. So if you're interested in supporting the channel, I'll leave a link below to purchase both these products. and to get notified about a couple products that we have coming out real soon. But the key is you want to have nice, tight, round water beads on your car. So if you don't have that, the product that I'd recommend, and I'll link below, is the JIMBO ceramic spray coating. It's a simple spray and wipe application, and that will make the next time you wash your car even that much easier, because the water is going to bead up like crazy. And then when you move on to the blower, the water is just going to blow off the car like you saw. Then you won't have any of those pesky runs down the side of your car. And even where it's at right now with this little bit of water, this is a perfect time to just add 1 spray or 2 sprays per panel and dry your car as you put on a layer of protection. But back to the blower itself, this thing is stout. This thing's amazing. I believe the 6 amp battery takes about 45 to 60 minutes to fully charge. And you might want to upgrade the Ryobi charger to their version of basically a lightning charger that will help it charge faster. Look for the deals at Home Depot, and I will give you a tip. Try to talk to a Milwaukee or a Ryobi rep if you go into Home Depot. Sometimes they have specials that they can give out. Sometimes they're running specials, and like what happened to me, there was a special on the batteries and the charger that made it, I don't know, much cheaper to buy a whole nother battery. And so they're always running deals and specials and things like that. So if you could talk to a rep in the store, that'd be ideal. But honestly, for half a battery usage on this car, this thing is amazing. I really like that it comes with the stubby nozzle. It also comes with a longer one if you want to like blow out your shop. And compared to the flex blower that I've been using for the previous few years, this thing completely blows it out of the water. So if you're in the market for a new blower, you may consider the Ryobi one. This is amazing. I'm not in the Ryobi ecosystem at all, like I mentioned, so it's a bit of a hassle to get in that ecosystem. But now that I am, and I think it's worth it. It's about, I'm probably all in at 230 bucks-ish for this. Is it better than the Ego blower? I don't know, but you could probably do the same things you do with that with this. And honestly, with that, I just really like it. So yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys. So with that, don't forget to get the JIMBO ceramic spray so you can make your car, the water bead up real tight on your car, and then you can blow it off really easily. That probably took, what, 5 minutes to dry the whole entire car? So if you ran around the car one more time with like a quick detail spray, a quick wax, the JIMBO ceramic spray, you're drying your car and protecting it and adding a layer of wax within 10 minutes. So really can't beat that. Really efficient, and yeah.